students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. You will be seeing this video just after your exams. So I want everybody's experience about the exam, how much you have scored. If you want to share your experience, you can comment down in the comment section. और मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है सबके मार्क्स अच्छे ही आए होंगे, बिकॉज इट्स अ प्री रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो. आई विल बी सीइंग द मार्क्स आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके, तो मुझे कल पता चलेंगे आपके मार्क्स. So students, you already have seen that video on types of fractions, and that was an old video which I have sent to you, but yes, it was explaining you all the types of fractions and the concept was same. That is why I have sent you that video. Now in this video I am going to explain you about fractional part of a collection. ठीक है, fractional part of a collection, it's a very important topic. ये आपका आगे तक पीछा नहीं छोड़ने वाला है. You are going to get this in your senior classes also. आगे की क्लासेस में भी ये चीज़ें जो हैं आपको मिलती रहेंगी. So fractional part of a collection. So how do we find out the fractional part of a collection? For example, a question is given to you, 3/7 of 21. So 21 is the collection out of which you have to find out 3/7. Of means multiply. Of का मतलब होता है आपका multiply. So you are going to multiply, right? Now this 21 is in divide with 7. 21 जो है वो 7 के साथ divide में है. So 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 3 threes are 9. So 3/7 of 21, यानी 21 अगर कोई collection है जिसमें 21 items हैं तो उसका 3/7 क्या होगा? 9 items. क्या होगा? 9 items. Now you may get questions like this also. 1/4 of a kilogram. ठीक है. Now in this types of question, how will you solve? Now you have to tell me 1 kilogram is equals to how many grams? If you know the answer, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Very good. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में जैसे अब किलोग्राम की जो नेक्स्ट यूनिट है वो है ग्राम, मिलीग्राम नहीं होगी. नेक्स्ट यूनिट क्या आ रही है आपकी स्टैंडर्ड, दैट इज ग्राम. तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में यू आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट अ किलोग्राम मीन्स 1 किलोग्राम. अगर 2 किलोग्राम्स लिखा होता तो आप क्या करते? 2 किलोग्राम्स को ग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट करते. नाउ हेयर इट इज रिटन अ किलोग्राम, सो इट विल बी 1/4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000 बिकॉज 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 grams. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 remainder is there, 4 fives are 20, 4 zeros are 0. So the answer is 250 grams. Okay, so you may get the question like this also. 1/4 of, sorry for the disturbance, 1/4 of 2 kilogram, right? So now 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Now 2 kilogram is equals to 2000 grams, right? So now you have to multiply it. 4 ones are 4 fives are 20, 4 zeros are 4 zeros are. So the answer is 500 gram. Now this was about kilograms and grams. Now how do you find out the fraction of a fractional part of a collection in case we are getting different units? ठीक है, taking some more examples. 3/4 of a day. Now what is the next standard unit for the day? Day की जो अगली यूनिट होगी वो होगी hours. Now how many hours are there in one day? If you know the answer, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. One day is equals to 24 hours. Okay, so it will be 3/4 multiplied by a day लिखा है इसलिए 24 लिया. अगर 2 days लिखा होता तो what I would have taken, मैंने लिया होता 48. Okay, so 3/4 of 24, 4 ones are 4 six are, so 3 6 are 18. तो 3/4 of a day is 18 hours. अब आपको इस तरह से भी क्वेश्चन मिल सकते हैं इन फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट ऑफ अ कलेक्शन. आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट द पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस विच कैन अराइज. ठीक है, सो इट कैन बी 4/7 ऑफ अ वीक और 4/7 ऑफ 2 weeks. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी. So in this what you have to do, the next unit for week will be days. So 1 week में कितने दिन होते हैं? There are 7 days in a week. So it will be 4/7 multiplied by 7. So 7 7 cancelled. Answer होगा आपका 4 days. Coming to this question, 4/7 multiplied by 2 weeks means how many days? 14 days. So 7 1 जा 7 2 जा, तो 4 2 जा क्या हो जाएगा आपका 8 days. क्या हो जाएगा आपका 8 days. So 4/7 of 2 weeks is 8 days. अब आपको और भी क्वेश्चंस मिल सकते हैं. 1/2 of a meter. 1/2 of a meter. So 1 meter is equals to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 1/2 multiplied by 100. 2 5s are 2 zeros are. So answer will be 50 centimeter. So this is a fractional part of a collection. अब आपको कोई भी collection दे दिया जाए. Let's suppose you must have got a question like this, 6/8 of 48. Now 6/8 multiplied by 48, 8 1s are 8 6s are 48. Now 6 6s are 36. So your answer will be 36. So this is how you have to solve the questions if you are getting the questions like fractional part of a collection. Now अब मैंने आपको एक चीज़ बताई थी, हाउ डू वी रिप्रेजेंट द फ्रैक्शंस इन वर्ड्स. आप फ्रैक्शंस को वर्ड्स में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. इफ 1/2 इज रिटन, यू आर गोइंग टू राइट लाइक दिस 1/2. इफ इट इज रिटन 1/4, हाउ विल यू राइट 1/4. 4 represents what? Quarter. Now if it is written like this 2/3, it will be written like this in words 2/3. If you are getting 5/7, so you are going to write like this 5 7 ths, sevens. ठीक है. Coming to another 9/11, so you are going to write like this 9 9 9 11 ths. This is how you are going to represent the fractions in fractional number. Now if you want to represent these fractions on number line, how will you represent? You are going to represent this fractions on number line. कैसे represent करेंगे? Let me tell you about that also. So our next topic is fractions on number line. Fractions on number line. So if we have to represent 3/4 on number line, just start from here O. Now after O you have to make how many marks? You have to check the denominator. Check for the denominator. What is the denominator? The denominator is 4. So 1 2 3 4. तो जो 4th आया, जो लास्ट है वो आपका हो जाएगा A. Now you have to represent what? 3/4. So 1 2 3. So here it is 3/4. Taking one more example, if you want to represent 5/8, how will you represent? Start from O. Now after O, check for the denominator. What is the denominator? The denominator is 8. So how many divisions you are going to make? 8 divisions. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. जो लास्ट वाला होगा 8th one, वहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे A. Now you have to represent what? 5/8. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this fraction is 5/8. I hope it is clear how to represent the fractions on the number line. If you are still facing any difficulty, you can comment down in the comment section. I will be explaining you again. ठीक है. Now on that day, I have explained in that video. I have explained about unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fractions, right? And how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So I am explaining you that once again. कुछ चीज़ें थी जो मैं आपको दोबारा समझा रही हूँ, तो थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. It's a concept based video, so don't miss anything from the video. Types of fractions. So in types of fractions, first which I want to explain you is like fractions. Now what are like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions having same denominator. Okay, if you know the definition, you can pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Like fractions are the fractions having same denominator. Now I am writing few fractions for you. 3/4, 7/9, 8/4, 6/8, 5/4. Now you have to find out the like fractions amongst these 5 fractions. इन पांचों में से कौन से like fractions हैं? So the like fractions are the fractions having same denominator. So check for the same denominator. This fraction is having 4, this fraction is also having 4, and this fraction is also having 4 as the denominator. That means the like fractions are 3/4, 8/4 and 5/4. Now what are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions किसको कहते हैं? Let me check. So unlike fractions are the fractions having different denominators. What are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are the fractions having different denominators. यहाँ पे आपका denominator अलग होगा. For example 2/3, 4/7, 5/9, 8/11. In every fraction that denominator is different. So we used to call them unlike fractions. Okay. Now coming to proper fraction and improper fraction. So proper fraction. Now what are proper fraction? Proper fractions are the fractions where the denominator is always greater than the numerator. Proper fractions कौन से fractions होते हैं? जहाँ पे आपका denominator numerator से हमेशा क्या होता है? बड़ा होता है. Okay? Now what can be the examples for proper fractions? Please tell me if you know the answer. You can reply to me in the comment section. Some examples for proper fractions. Proper fractions whose numerator is less than its denominator. Numerator हमेशा denominator से छोटा होगा. 2/9, 7/11, 5/12, 6/7. In every case the denominator is greater than the numerator. So these fractions are called proper fractions. Now one thing which you have to keep in mind is that each proper fraction is less than 1. आपके जितने भी proper fractions होते हैं वो हमेशा 1 से छोटे होते हैं. अब ये 1 से छोटे कैसे होते हैं? Each proper fraction is less than 1. अब ये कैसे पता चला कि ये 1 से छोटे हैं? Let me explain to you how these proper fractions are less than 1. ये आपके 1 से छोटे इसलिए होंगे क्योंकि जब आप 2/9 लिख रहे हैं तो जब आप 2/9 को कंप्लीट करेंगे तो हाउ इट विल बी कंप्लीटेड? बाय एडिंग 7/9 टू इट, बिकॉज 2 + 7 इज 9. सो 9/9 ये हो गया आपका 1. तो देखिए 2/9 इज लेस देन 1. क्यों लेस है? क्योंकि उसे हमें 1 बनाने के लिए उसमें 7/9 ऐड करना पड़ा. नाउ कमिंग टू 7/11. व्हाट शुड बी एडेड टू 7/11 टू मेक इट 1? 7/11 में हम ऐसा क्या ऐड करें जिससे कि वो 1 बन जाए? सो वी ऑल नो दैट 7 + 4 इज 11. सो वी हैव टू ऐड 4/11. हमें इसमें 4/11 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, देन ओनली इट विल बी 1. सो 7 + 4 इज 11. 11/11 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. सो सी अगेन वी हैव टू ऐड 4/11 टू 7/11. इसे 1 बनाने के लिए हमें इसमें 4/11 ऐड करना पड़ा. So that is why this is less than 1. Now I am explaining it once with this example also. 5/12 में आप क्या ऐड करेंगे जिससे कि वो 1 बन जाए? 7/12, because 5 + 7 is 12 and 12/12 is 1. So now from this we can conclude that each proper fraction is less than 1. I hope the topic proper fractions is clear to you now. Coming to the next topic, that is improper fraction. So the next topic is improper fraction. Now what are improper fractions? If you know the definition, please pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. What are improper fractions? Yes students, improper fractions are the fractions where the numerator is always greater than or equal to its denominator. हमेशा न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर से या तो बड़ा होगा या उसके बराबर होगा. Now what can be the examples for improper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. What can be the examples? न्यूमरेटर हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होगा. 5/4, 3/2, okay, 7/5, 9/6, 3/2 I have already done, okay, 13/7. In every case the numerator is greater than the denominator, या फिर वो डिनोमिनेटर के बराबर भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4/4, 2/2, 5/5, 6/6, है ना, देन 13/13. So the improper fraction is always greater than or equal to its denominator. Now we have just few minutes ago we have studied about a conclusion that each proper fraction is less than 1. So now you tell me what you have understood from this conclusion. इससे आपको क्या समझ में आया? What is the conclusion after learning about the improper fractions? अगर कुछ समझ में आया तो प्लीज़ pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. बिल्कुल, the conclusion is, ये आपकी बुक में नहीं दिया but I am telling you, an improper fraction is always greater than 1. ये 1 से हमेशा आपका बड़ा होगा. improper fraction 1 से हमेशा क्या होगा? बड़ा होगा. proper fraction is always less than 1. improper fraction is always greater than 1. now how come the improper fractions are greater than 1? ये आपको कैसे पता चलता है? let me explain you, okay? so जब आप इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, 4 को जब आप 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 1 ज़ा 4, पॉइंट लगाया आपने, 0 ऐड किया तो 4 2 ज़ा, देन 4 5 ज़ा, राइट. सो 1.25 आया, ये आपका 1 से बड़ा निकला. नाउ कमिंग टू दिस, 2 1 ज़ा 2 आपका, देखिए 2 को जब आप 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं, 2 1 ज़ा 2, आपका 1 रिमाइंडर बचा, आपने पॉइंट लगाया, 0 ऐड किया, 2 5 ज़ा 10. सो अगेन इट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 1. कमिंग टू दिस वन, 5 1 ज़ा 5, 2 रिमाइंडर बचा, पॉइंट लगाया, 0 ऐड किया, 5 4 ज़ा 20. सो इन एवरी केस द value which is coming after solving the fraction, the decimal value is greater than 1. So we can say that improper fractions are always greater than 1. Okay. Now you know about improper fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions and proper fractions. Now I am going to explain you about unit fractions. Which fraction? Unit fraction. Now what are unit fractions? The fractions which have their numerator as 1 are said to be unit fraction. जिनका numerator क्या हो? 1 होता है, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Unit fractions. I hope it is clear, students. So now I am going to explain you about mixed fraction and how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Mixed fraction को आप improper में कैसे change करेंगे? So mixed fraction is a whole number. What is mixed fraction? एक whole number होता है पूरा plus a fraction. ठीक है? Mixed fraction contains two parts, a whole number and a fraction. Now taking some examples, 3 1/4, right? So 3 is the whole number and 1/4 is the fractional part. Now how do we solve this and we convert this into an improper fraction? आप क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर टू दिस होल पार्ट एंड प्लस एड द न्यूमरेटर टू इट. सो 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3 प्लस 1/4. वॉट आई हैव डन? आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड द डिनोमिनेटर टू द होल पार्ट. होल पार्ट से डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करिए एंड एड द न्यूमरेटर टू इट. डिनोमिनेटर तो वही रहेगा 4. सो द आंसर विल बी 13/4. Okay. Now which type of fraction this is? This is an improper fraction. तो जो भी mixed fractions होंगे आपके, they will be converted into improper fraction only. Every mixed fraction will be converted into an improper fraction. multiply the whole number with the denominator of the fraction, and then what you have to do, add the numerator of the fraction to it. This gives the numerator of the required improper fraction, and its denominator is same as the denominator of the mixed fraction. ठीक है, mixed fraction का denominator ही रहता है. Taking some more examples to explain you this is 8 3/4. 8 3/4. Now we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So what you have to do, multiply the denominator with the whole part and then add the numerator to it. So 4 multiplied by 8 plus 3/4. So 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3, 35/4 is the answer. Now one thing is coming in your mind, I am really very sure about that, कि आपने मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर में चेंज कर दिया. नाउ हाउ डू वी चेंज द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. आप इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस को कैसे मिक्स्ड में चेंज करेंगे, हाउ विल यू चेंज देम. सो व्हाट डू वी डू, इट्स वेरी सिंपल, इट्स जस्ट द रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. आपको रिवर्स करना है प्रोसेस. तो जैसे आपका एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, 27/4 and we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. तो आप क्या करेंगे, 4 को 27 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 4 6 24. Now what is the remainder? The remainder is 3. So now you have to keep few things in your mind. जो रिमाइंडर होगा वो आपके मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर बनेगा, एंड दिस डिविजर जिससे आपने डिवाइड किया दैट विल बी द डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ कमिंग टू दिस पार्ट, क्वोशिएंट. जो आपका क्वोशिएंट होगा, क्वोशिएंट विल बी द होल नंबर का पार्ट होगा. क्वोशिएंट में भी देखिए आपके क्वोशिएंट इज द पार्ट फॉर द होल नंबर. सो नाउ 27/4 इन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन इज 6 3/4. क्या है आपका, 6 3/4. 6 was the quotient, so quotient is the whole part. 3 is the remainder, so it is the numerator for this, and 4 is the divisor, तो divisor आपका denominator होगा. ठीक है. Taking one more example to explain you, जिससे आपको अच्छे से clear हो जाए. So the example which I am taking is 29/6. Now 29 को आप 6 से डिवाइड करिए. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So 6 4s are 24. Now what is the remainder? 5. तो मैंने आपको बता दिया है. What will be the remainder को क्या मानेंगे हम? Remainder will be considered as the numerator, और denominator तो denominator रहता ही है. जो आपका क्वोशिएंट आएगा वो आपका होल हो जाएगा. So the mixed fraction will be 4 5/6. So I hope now you have understood how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fractions, and how to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions, and how do you represent the fractions on number line. I have explained about that also. So we will be solving the exercise questions in the next video. आज मैं आपको कोई क्लास वर्क होमवर्क नहीं दूंगी क्योंकि अभी आपका एग्जाम था. So have a great day ahead students. If you have liked the video, please like करके जाइएगा.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.